Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn the piano accompaniment for In the Air Tonight by Phil Collins. After many years of speculation, Phil Collins revealed that he wrote this song because of the grief he experienced after his divorce. So it's safe to say this song is not about passing gas, which is what I secretly wished it was about. Here's our middle C for reference. We'll learn the piano accompaniment in the original key of D minor, which has one flat, B flat. Now on to the intro. The left hand will be the easiest to play because throughout the entire song, we'll play D repeatedly for each chord. So for the intro, we'll play D for D minor, C over D, B flat over D, and C over D. On the right, we have A, D, and F for D minor, G, C, E for C over D, and F, B flat, and D for B flat over D, and C over D. With both hands, the chord progression is D minor, C over D, B flat over D, and C over D. Now, here's how I'd play the rhythm for the intro. This progression repeats 3 times, then finishes with D minor for a full measure. Alternatively, if you want to play it more like Phil Collin does, you can use these inversions: D, F, and A for D minor, C, E, and G for C over D, B flat, D, and F for B flat over D, and back to C over D. Moving on to the verse section, our first chord is D minor, followed by A minor over D, where the left hand plays D and the right hand plays A, C, and E. Then we have B flat over D, with F, B flat, and D on the right. After that, we have C over D, which we learned earlier. Each chord in the verse section is twice as long and played like so: D minor, A minor over D, B flat over D, and C over D. This pattern is played twice. You can also try playing an octave higher in the second verse to add some variation. For the chorus, we'll play the exact same chords as in the intro. In the second verse, to add some emphasis like in the studio recording, you can give the D minor chord a bit more punch by playing it like this. The rest of the verse will be played the same. How was that tutorial? If you enjoyed it, check out my other classic song tutorials. Thanks for watching.